After al-Nakba, Arabs and Israel remained at loggerheads. They fought numerous wars over the land of Palestine. The War of 1967 lasted for 6 days, which was fought between Israel and the Arab countries Jordan, Egypt, and Syria. The result of the war was also gone against the Arab countries. After the war was culminated, Israel took control of the West Bank, East Jerusalem, Gaza, the Golan Heights, and the Sinai Peninsula. Israel burgeoned its area to 200%. On November 22, 1967, United Nations passed another resolution. United Nations Security Council Resolution number 242, named Land for Peace. The resolution had not only brought ceasefire but also asked Israel to withdraw the captured territories. Later, the Egyptian President al-Nasser once again fought a war with Israel in 1970, which was resultless. 1973 was the year in which another major war was fought between the two, Israel and the Arab countries. The war was fought over the reluctance of Israel to return the captured land of Palestine. The sudden attack was made by the Arab countries at Israel on the holiday of Jews, Yom Kippur. The ceasefire reached after the United Nations Security Council Resolution number 338. The Arab attack was fierce and damaged Israel considerably. Afterwards, Arab made two major attacks in 1987 and 2001. In the recent past, from 2008 to 2023, Palestinians clashed with Israeli forces 4 times. The clashes were mainly imposed by Israel, which killed hundreds of innocent Palestinians. Over the passage of time, Israel forcefully captured the land of Palestinians and driven them out of their homes with no right to return. These acts have led to name Israel an apartheid state.